mapping, and 5 themes of geography of Europe. Western Europe. Western Europe includes the nations of Ireland, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Austria, and Switzerland. It also includes the tiny countries of Monaco and Liechtenstein. The landscape of the region consists of plains with mountains in some places. 2 mountain ranges separate Western Europe from Southern Europe. They divide the cooler climates of the north from the warm, dry climate of the Mediterranean region to the south. The North Sea is a part of the Atlantic Ocean that separates the island of Britain from the rest of Europe. It is a rich fishing ground for the Netherlands and the United Kingdom. It has long been important for trade. It is also the location of large oil and gas reserves. The English Channel is the part of the Atlantic Ocean that separates southern England from northern France. The Channel is a busy sea route connecting the North Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Northern Europe. Much of Northern Europe is a land of rugged mountains, rocky soils, and jagged coasts. A map of Northern Europe would show Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Iceland. Together, these 5 far northern lands often are called the Nordic countries. 2 peninsulas are major physical geographic features that make up most of Northern Europe. The Scandinavian peninsula is made up of Norway and Sweden. Southern Europe. Southern Europe is made up of the countries of Spain, Portugal, Italy, and Greece, as well as the tiny countries of Andorra, San Marino, and Vatican City. Southern Europe also has several peninsulas. Spain and Portugal form the Iberian Peninsula. Most of Italy is the long, boot-shaped Italian peninsula. Part of the boundary between Western Europe and Southern Europe is formed by 2 mountain ranges, the Pyrenees and the Alps. The Pyrenees mark the boundary between southern France and the Iberian Peninsula. The Alps form the northern border of Italy and separate the Italian peninsula from the rest of Europe. The most important body of water in southern Europe is the Mediterranean Sea. It stretches about 2,500 miles from the southern coast of Spain in the west to the coasts of Greece, Turkey, and various Southwest Asia countries. The Mediterranean is almost completely surrounded by land. In the west, it connects to the Atlantic Ocean through the Strait of Gibraltar. At the strait's narrowest point, only 8 miles separates the southern tip of Spain from Africa. In what ways are Northern and Southern Europe similar? In what ways are they different? Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe is part of a large landmass surrounded by seas. The Baltic Sea lies northwest of Eastern Europe. The Baltic is shallow and brackish, or somewhat salty, because it is seawater mixed with river water. The Baltic Sea extends north almost to the Arctic Circle. In the southwest, the Adriatic, Ionian, and Black Seas surround the Balkan Peninsula on 3 sides. The Black Sea borders the southern coast of Ukraine. The Balkan Peninsula is a mountainous region. In fact, Balkan is a Turkish word for mountain. The Carpathian Mountains run through the peninsula's north and are linked to the Balkan Mountains. The region is so mountainous that human settlements are isolated from one another.